Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Amen. Amen. Hallelujah. 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 That is madness. Only black Africans producing this sound day and night. Only black children are the one producing this Latin sound every day. The first picture.
My people, wonder shall never end. Another one don't still happen again. No, no be small something. Things are really happening. This update that you guys is about to watch now, Mathias Ezeaku ejofo. My people, it don't still come out again. No, on I know say Mathias Ezeaku and some of all these our African pastor, they know they too they play at all. They know they play. You know they use IT. They see them. He said they are scammers. Okay, my people, this one so when he can't release again, no be small something. No, now Mathias Ezeaku come they worship God. They give him honor. They give him all the glory and adoration. My people, not be small something. Wahala not they finish. May not come be saying I may use my mouth, then narrate and finish. Make una watch.
Come and see what Jesus has done for us. Come and see what Jesus has done for us. If it may could be man, I will really pay. If it may could be man, I will surely pay. Maybe it could be onye nugu, I will surely pay. If it may could be only most pet, I will surely pay. Come and see it done for me. Hallelujah, man, see what Jesus has done for us. Come and see the healing Jesus has done for us. Come and see miracle Jesus has done for us. If it could be man, I will really pay. Come and see what Jesus has done for us. And black children are still waiting for his miracle. Come and see what Jesus has done for us. And we are still waiting for more miracle. Come and see, brother, come and see. Sister, come and see. Uncle, come and see. Come and see the power of being Jesus. Come and see what will make Africa so great. Come and see what Africa depends to be greater than China. Come and see Jesus has done again. Come and see what Jesus has done for Africa. If it may could be man, I will really pay. Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Amen! Amen! Hallelujah! 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 That is madness. Only black Africans producing this sound day and night. Only black children are the one producing this Latin sound every day. The first picture at the left-hand side is a woman that's up to 5 pastors in Nigeria used for fake miracle because they know you. To scam you, to take away your money because they know you are a slave. You have to go and work hard. After working hard, you can submit to them because you are submitting to God. Look at this woman now under our care. Oh, the whole pastor have abandoned him for me. The same way they die is the same way they will abandon you. The day reality will hit 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 your children. The day reality will hit your husband. The day reality will hit your wife. Now you are standing alone. That Jesus is with you. I'm telling you, the day reality will hit you. My dear, all this criminal of your reverend and Jesus will be nowhere to be found. This woman is lying, struggling for his life now in ICU. They have abandoned the woman for Ezeaku and followers. The one we are seeing with our 2 eyes, we want to see real happen. Because they know Jesus have never performed any real miracle. That is why they have to fake it. That is why they are faking it. That is why they are faking it. And they have even made you to be living a fake life that a grown-up young lady or man like you will go out there to work and the jobless man will be somewhere telling you that you should bring your money to God. But they know they have made you to be living a fake life. That you want nothing. How can Jesus, who has everything, be demanding money from you? Jesus need money from you to bless you.
My people, shey una don lis ten to Mathias Ezeaku, una don hear everything. He say this lady so una dey see peace for here. Say this lady say they use am take do fake miracle one certain time. Wahala no dey finish o. Say see this lady now, e come out na so God come let the world know say the thing na audio. He say make we wake up, say all these people na ndị wey riri, say this lady now dey use am take do fakey na if people come really know say the thing say na fake. My people, no be small something, things are really happen. I know say una don hear everything from Mathias Ezeaku mouth. The one wey come make me come drop this update for here be say the way wey e take dey worship God, they give God the praise, they sing, they rejoice, they give God. My people, after that one, now so e come let us know say this lady they use am take do miracle one certain time. Wahala be like bicycle, no be small something. My people, now here now one for leave for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. I beg make una dey share this video.